about to give you.
Here's a wonderful preventative measure that probably most of you didn't know.
From breaking in it. And for
I
those
didn't
who
know.
don't know, you can break into these garage doors in about 6 seconds with a coat hanger, and I'm going to show you right now how to take care of that. Thieves have been doing this for more than 20 years. Now, I've got some rubber sealing up here. It's a little harder, but all you have to do is pull this little piece of rubber back, push the door in. You can stick a coat hanger up in here. I've even got a window, makes it easier. You grab that string right there and pull it down, and now you're inside the door. Now we're inside the garage. Let me show you how to fix this. Come inside your door and look right here where your release string is to pull this down for emergencies. You'll notice a hole here and a hole up here. Take you a zip tie. Stick it through the top hole and bring it back out through the bottom hole and latch this zip tie together, and you will not be able to pull that string open, and no one's going to get in your garage. And if you need to use it, you can just cut it. I have been doing this for many years on my garage doors. If you think this doesn't work, grab a coat hanger and go outside and try it yourself. Stop a thief in his tracks with a zip tie. Next.